everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a foundation wear test and review. We are going to be wearing and testing out the Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation. I was at Beauty Bar by Essenza looking for a new foundation to try. I've tried the Lancome, tried the Chanel, tried the Fenty. Apparently this one is really new. It's like 3 years old. So I'm very excited to try out their new foundation. Can you guys leave comments below of what foundations you guys would love for me to review? This year I'm going to be going all out on foundation reviews, so please list them all out and I will be doing multiple foundation reviews every month. So this is what the packaging of the foundation looks like. I actually really love their floral packaging. Opening it up, and this is what the bottle looks like. Hey, we got ourselves a pump. So before we test out the foundation, let's see what Clinique has to say about this bad boy. 24-hour full coverage foundation instantly perfects with a matte finish plus visibly improves skin with 3 serum technology. Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation is a 24-hour foundation infused with skincare. 24-hour oil-free foundation with SPF delivers full coverage and a matte finish. Combines the long-wearing coverage of a foundation with the transforming power of a serum to help visibly improve skin instantly and over time. It's long wear with skincare. Our serum technology is built with a 3 serum technology, a powerhouse blend of good for skin ingredients. Clinique's dark spot fighting molecule UP3O2+, vitamin C, salicylic acid, and hyaluronic acid. Clinically proven to leave bare skin looking better, smoother, and more even. Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation SPF 25 is one of Clinique's best foundations for hyperpigmentation. Okay guys, Clinique is making a very bold claim here. It's written right here. Clinique's best foundations for hyperpigmentation. I don't know if you guys can see, but the one thing that Deal Like Davy deals with is hyperpigmentation. So I'm looking forward to seeing this foundation in action today, the next time I use it, and even over time, because if there's one thing I know with skincare is that skincare takes time. Now that we know what the brand has to say about the foundation, it's time for us to find out ourselves what this foundation is really up to. Okay, it is a runny formulation, but not that runny. By the way, I have the shade CN116 Spice D. Alright guys, let's apply this to the skin and see what it is all about. Alright, so that is the first layer of the Clinique foundation on my skin. My skin looks perfect. So even. It looks very, very even. It looks like I have not a imperfection or a dark spot in sight. Very in love with the way my skin is looking. Very in love with how perfect and how smooth it looks. Oh my god, I look so pretty. It is very, very even. It looks perfection. It looks like my skin. It looks so very natural. Very, very natural. I'm going to apply the rest of what I have on my plate to my face. So we have 2 layers of foundation and we can see how buildable this bad boy is. But honest to God, I don't think I need another layer because it really did a great job of covering up everything. 4 pumps of this foundation is actually enough for me. I imagine if you have like much more hyperpigmentation and much more to cover, that you'll use more. Coming closer so that you guys can see the perfection that this foundation has made my skin. My skin looks very, very perfect. Really, really loving this foundation so far. First impression, love how smooth it has made my skin. Love how even it actually looks. I think I'm in love with this foundation. I love the way my skin looks. I love that I didn't have to use more foundation, like a lot more foundation to cover up my hyperpigmentations and my dark spots. This foundation is truly a full coverage foundation and it played nicely and blended well with the other products. It doesn't dry as fast, so you still have a little bit more wiggle struggle time and playroom when it comes to applying other liquid products on top. The website says it has a satin finish, and I agree. It does give a very radiant satin finish, but with a matte look. I look matte, but I also look like radiant. I look skin-like. I look natural. It's not like heavy foundation, heavy cakiness. No. Again, I just used 4 pumps of the foundation and it covered up everything. It looks so good on my skin. So what are my plans for the foundation today? I have a couple of videos I need to film, and then I am going to a pole dancing class. It's actually past midnight, and this is what my face looks like at the end of the day. I think that this foundation is so natural and it really wears nicely throughout the day. I don't look oily. I hardly see any oil. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I can't see anything. So this is really good at oil control. I'm really happy about that. It settles into a really nice matte satin finish, as I've mentioned, but it doesn't oxidize. It doesn't look funny, but it doesn't look like I've had a long day. The only way you know that I've had a long day is the fact that my lipstick has faded, but the rest of my makeup is still looking so good. But yeah, this is what my face looks like at the end of the day. I am seriously so proud of this foundation. I didn't know what to expect, and my expectations have been blown out the water. Another day, another opportunity to try out the Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation. I really enjoyed how this foundation wore throughout yesterday. Today is another day for me to try it out. Today's pretty simple day. I'm just going to my parents' house, and then I'm going to maybe run 1 or 2 errands and then come back home. So we're going to be going with 4 pumps because 4 pumps was enough for the first time we used it. And today I'm going to be applying this foundation with a brush. Let's see how it turns out. It smells like foundation. I really like the way it blends out with a brush. So my camera died, but my makeup is done. There really isn't a major difference when it comes to the finish between a brush and a sponge, but the application was very different. First, it was much more sheerer with the brush. My first layer was pretty thin. I could see all my hyperpigmentation and I could see my birthmark. The second layer covered everything up, and then I did a tiny third layer on my cheeks just to like make sure everything was good. As I mentioned, I'm going to my parents' house, but I'm also going to be going to a little shindig later in the evening. It's not a rave, but it's like music events and there will be DJs there. So it's 11:40 something and I'm back at home, and this is what my face looks like. My makeup looks really good. I do think like maybe a little bit of powdering, a little bit of touching up would help. The Clinique foundation is really holding up. Honestly, it's one of those foundations that I didn't have any expectations for because never tried it out, never watched a review. So to see it perform really well 2 days in a row is like really fantastic and really great. I'm really excited to see how this foundation really plays with a full coverage glam, like the whole shebang. It's a really nice, lovely matte finish, and I'm obsessed. I'm very obsessed with this foundation. Like, wow. We are off to the gym today. I don't wear makeup to the gym. I usually do not have the brain space or the brain power to put myself together like that, but now I have the time. This is my 3rd use of the foundation, and I really love how it looks on my skin right now. I really cannot stop looking at myself in the mirror or in the viewfinder. I actually really like how beautiful this foundation looks on me. There is no highlights, no blush, nothing extra, but my skin is still radiant, but still very natural. You know, it's very hard for me to say this is skin-like, but it feels skin-like. Like, it's very light. I don't feel like there's any heavy product on my skin. I love how I look. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Here's a close-up of my look today. This is what my makeup looks like halfway through my routine. You can see on my forehead that I'm sweating a little bit, but the sweat didn't move or shift my makeup, which is pretty good and pretty cool. I would say it's gym approved for the routines that I do, but it is not transfer proof. It's all over the inside of my headphones right now, so take note of that if you're going to be wearing this with headphones. So this is me taking a break from all the cooking I have been doing. It is wearing down bit by bit. I've been sweating and stuff, like sweat has come down all the way down here, and it's done a pretty good job of like holding up. It's so very hot. It's very, very hot. So the fact that this foundation has been holding up is so good. It's been a very long day of me in the kitchen. I've been meal prepping for the week, but it gave me a fantastic opportunity to test out this foundation in a very hot and sweaty environment. Lagos is very, very hot right now. So I went to the gym and then I came home and I went straight into cooking. My forehead over here is like very shiny. My nose over here as well. These areas are not that shiny. These areas are just like maybe a little bit of powder, you know, it's a little bit of wear and tear that's happening there. I'm headed out to group therapy. I'm actually a bit late, and this is the look that we have on with the Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation. I absolutely love this look. You guys know I love when I do purple and pink. This foundation is making my skin look so damn smooth. Like, it is almost 6 a.m. and I'm back home from group therapy, and this is what my face looks like. I absolutely love the way the foundation looks and the way, in my opinion, I look like I just need to powder a little bit and I'm still good to go. The foundation is really long lasting. It really held up very well. It was really hot and really, really sweaty. Like, today was the day that I decided not to take my fan, and I should have taken my fan because, oh my god, it was so damn hot. But oh my god, this foundation is looking so good. So I got invited to go and rave in the mountains in Ibadan, and I was like, this is a fantastic opportunity to test out this foundation. It looks very skin-like, especially in the sun. I actually really love the finish and how it looked, and oh my god, it was so hot, so hot, and I was sweating a lot. Had a fan, and it still held up. It still held up. It is not 100% sweat proof, but it held up. Hello, I am ready to go and get my capture done. Yeah, I'm trying to sort out my driver's license. So I have done my face with the Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation. A very passport driver's license sort of makeup look. Me, but better. That kind of thing. I don't know how long I'm going to spend there. I do know someone there, so I'm hoping that they can help me to expedite the process. I am hoping that this face of makeup really lasts long and shows me what it can do. So far, over all the tests we've done, this foundation has done pretty well. I am back home from getting my license done. Finally. This is what my face looks like after 5 to 6 hours in a government office. My nose is very shiny, and I really see that happening all the time I do light looks or everyday looks. And the reason that is that I'm not putting enough of the product on my face for it to really help with the shine. If you really want to get the most out of your product, especially if it's one that says it helps to control oil, you gotta apply enough of it to help control the oil. We are done with all the tests and the exams we put this baby through. I'll now come back with my final thoughts on the foundation. Here are my final thoughts on the Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation. This is a solid, long-lasting foundation that will give you a very nice satin velvet matte finish. Do not use this foundation if you are looking for a dewy, barely there makeup look. No, this is a full coverage baby. It's for when you want to cake it on and cake it on well. I'd recommend this foundation to anyone that has oily skin and really wants to control their oil throughout the day. Also, it lasts very long. I really like that about the foundation. It does transfer though. It is not transfer proof. It will definitely come off as you're hugging people, as you're touching up, so keep note of that. I would probably use this to raves and everyday. It is a very nice everyday foundation. Just note that it will start wearing out towards the ends of the day. I do see that using more of this actually gives you a better coverage and a better look. This is a foundation that really does well with full coverage looks. When it comes to everyday, barely there makeup, by the end of the day, it's not looking like great. Use this bad boy to the best of its ability by caking it on, by putting on a lot to give you the kind of finish and coverage that you want. The great thing about this being full coverage is the fact that it actually layers really well. It blends well with other products, didn't give me any stress. The only con I have, which I have mentioned, is the fact that it's not transfer proof. But apart from that, this is a really nice foundation. Now, when it comes to the skincare claims, I see it, but I also have to continue using it long enough to be sure that it is this that is really helping me with my skincare. I will say that some of my spots do look lighter. I've only been using this for a week and a half, so I think it's a little too early for me to be like, oh yeah, it cured my acne, it filled up my bank account, let me continue using it. But right now, this is a very solid foundation. I really like it. This foundation cost me, I think it's either 95 or 100,000 naira. That is it for my review of the Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation. Have you used it before? If you have, let me know. Are you thinking of trying this out? Was this on your wish list? Please let me know. Also, if you have any questions about the foundation, about where I got it, etc., leave them all in the comment section below and I'll answer all your questions. Thank you so much once again for being here. I truly appreciate it. Please not forget to blend your foundation out to the subscribe button so that you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my family here on YouTube. Do not forget to set your foundation to the notification bell so that you always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Finish up your look with some blush and some highlight to the like button so that this video will be recommended to other people on YouTube and we can have more people join the Diola Adibi family. Do not forget to be awesome and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!